Unmute by Iska Wellness in association with the Fern Society, powered by Guwahati Foodie and online partner Discoverist.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unmute. I am Alankrita Bhuya, psychologist and psychotherapist from Iska Wellness, and today I will speak something on trauma and its impact. Before we move ahead, let us understand what trauma is. So, speaking in very simple terms, trauma is an emotional response to a particular stressful or a dangerous situation or an event. So, stressful or dangerous event may be an accident, death of a loved ones, abuse. So, these are particular life events to which a person reacts in a particular manner, and it is more of an emotional response. So that emotional response is called trauma. Well, trauma can be of acute type, chronic type, or it can be complex type. So trauma can be acute in nature when it results from a single stressful event like an accident or death of a loved ones. Sometimes trauma can be very chronic in nature, which can result from repeated or prolonged exposure to traumatic events like uh, abuse or domestic violence, sexual exploitation for a number of times. Sometimes these trauma can be very complex in nature, which can be a result from multiple traumatic events like a child who was always bullied during the childhood have grown up and is now a victim of domestic violence and probably some sort of sexual assault or abuse. So there is a series of traumatic events which has been happening to that person, and therefore complex trauma. So most of the time what happens is that after any stressful event or after a traumatic event, a person either moves into a state of shock or they moves into a state of denial, and most of the time that is when they also starts exhibiting some long term imbalances in their behavior. Sometimes the emotional reactions are very unpredictable. Sometimes most of the times there is a lot of flashbacks which a person with trauma they usually say. They reports of having flashbacks of particular events, then they have a lot of sleep disturbances. So eventually a person might slowly move into a state of depression if all these symptoms keeps on happening to the person for a longer period of time. And a very common disorder which is associated with trauma is post traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. So yes, this is very much likely to happen in a person who has trauma. If these issues are not dealt, if a person is not dealing well with their traumatic events, later in life it will be very difficult for them to function in their normal daily lives, and there will be a point where they might change. I mean, because of the trauma their personalities might get changed. A person who is a victim of any traumatic situation, as I already said, can either move into a state of shock or denial. Sometimes if the person moves into a state of denial, they might have chances of developing various other addictive behavior like smoking, drinking, or use of certain drugs which helps them to numb their emotions. And well, in case of any traumatic event, a person will or can help them if they come for counseling or therapy. I mean, I would highly recommend a person who is in trauma for them to come to a therapist or a counselor, because That is how they can actually understand that there are healthier ways to cope with these kind of stressful life events or traumatic events. And once they engage themselves in the counseling process, they will be better able to adjust and have much healthier coping skills. And therefore, after some time, they will not be in a phase where they are not accepting whatever they have witnessed or they have gone through, but slowly and steadily they will start accepting it rather than rejecting or denying it. Well, this is it about trauma. I hope this was some little and basic information about trauma and its impact. That's it. Thank you.